everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Saturday. So it's our grocery shopping day. Pero pupunta muna kami sa aking mga biyanan. Tapos bibili si Mister ng battery nung kanyang GTO. What are we gonna do to your parents?
I gotta get the old battery.
Doon kasi nakapark yung ano niya, GTO niya. Old battery. What are you gonna do with the old battery?
They take it. You get like $10 for it.
It's for $10?
$10.
How much is it if you buy a new battery?
Like 200 or something.
200?
Probably.
It's expensive. So, mahal pala ang battery. Wala kasi akong alam sa mga sasakyan. When do you think I'm gonna learn how to drive?
I'll be amazed if it ever happens.
We don't have time to learn. We don't have time to...
You need to do the paperwork. If you do the paperwork,
I'm gonna do the paperwork.
the learning is easier than doing the freaking paperwork.
Yeah, but
apparently.
when are we gonna do it? Nobody's gonna take care of. Nobody's gonna watch the kids.
I think you can go into the DMV by yourself, and me and the kids can wait in the car.
Yeah, what I mean is, when you teach me how to drive, who's gonna watch the kids? Are we gonna be with them while you're teaching me
We're
how to
probably
drive?
just gonna leave them home. My mother's gonna come over, and I'm gonna take you for driving lessons. Do it every week for like a few months.
Okay. I'll do it when I'm ready.
Just do it in the spring.
Yeah. So that will be next year. I guess I'm gonna be ready by that time.
But before, you need to do the papers before winter.
I
is
know.
over. Learn in the spring.
Before the winter is over.
Yeah. When the winter ends, you can start learning.
So hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. Temperature ay... It's the temperature. Tapos 1:56 p.m. 8 degrees Celsius. Feels like 5 degrees Celsius. It's still cold, but it's not very cold compared to yesterday. Yesterday was very cold, right? Maano kasi ngayon maaraw. Pero parang nawawala na din siya. So, ayun. Medyo late na kami nakaalis. Papunta ng Walmart. Late na rin kasi kami nagising. Well, si Mr. maaga siya nagising. Ako, late na. Kasi maaga akong nagising para dun sa akin ginagawa, trabaho. Tapos natulog ulit kami ni Zelda. Si Zeta tsaka si Mr. sila gising na sila. Dito na kami guys sa aking mga biyanan. Wala na naman sila dito. Yung talagang mga biyanan ko ay mga gala. Hindi sila mapakali sa bahay. Kasi kahit mga retired na sila, napaka-active pa rin and ang dami pa rin nilang mga ginagawa sa buhay. Lagi silang busy. And guys, ito nga pala, aking lip oil siya. Ang ganda niya. Para siyang lipstick pero lip oil lang. Galing to sa TikTok shop. Kakarating lang ngayon. Kaka-deliver lang niya ngayon. Ang bilis lang. Mga 2 days, 3 days lang na-receive ko na kaagad yung item. Kasi siya, parang yung US manufacturer or sa factory dito sa US nang galing. Parang ganon. And yung ko din, yung sinasabi ko na gagamitin kong retinol, dumating na din. So, itatry ko na siya gamitin or start ko na siya gamitin mamayang gabi. Pero gabi ko lang siya ilalagay kasi nga medyo matapang ang retinol. May kasama din siyang collagen. So, para siyang package. And hindi siya ganon ka-expensive compared sa ibang mga retinol brands. And napakaganda ng review niya sa TikTok shop. So, tingnan natin kung maging effective. Tapos, itong lip oil, siya, over time, magiging kakulay na siya ng lips mo. Hindi siya nakaka-dark ng lips. So, dalawa siya. Parang buy one, take one. Tapos, ayan, pwede siya maging. Dalawa yun parang medyo orange. Tapos, ito ay parang cherry. Ayan. David, can you say about my lips?
Nothing that's safe for you to.
Whatever. This one is, if you put it over time, your lips going to be, the color will be like cherry color or peony color.
Maybe I want that.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you use it. I have 2. And it's very moisturizing. Especially ngayon na winter. Maganda siya sa lips.
find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And I tease they never had to leave you, but now I'm
It's
seeing
too
all the
expensive.
signs.
They're supposed to be.
Yes, this
No other way to get that.
I can't believe it's true.
Love, why are we, shouldn't be the gift or Christmas gift a surprise? Why are you telling me what?
Because you're asking me for something else. I want to, you know.
I was asking him to just buy me another camera.
And I had to tell her what I was going to get because she already was asking for something, and I said, no, well, now we have a conflict of interest.
Why? That's what I want. But it's more expensive. Yung presyo kasi ng camera, parang 300. Ano din siya, Insta360, pero
This camera was a mistake.
it's not really a mistake, but it's not just good during nighttime. Hindi siya maganda pagka nighttime. Hindi maganda yung kanyang quality. Pero maganda siya pagka sa umaga, para sa akin. Tsaka napaka-handy. Pero yung isa, Insta360 din siya, maganda siya pagka sa gabi. Tapos, Black Friday sale, yung price niya ay 300 plus. But the one that you're going to get me, he wants to get me a motorcycle leather jacket, which is too expensive as well. And we're not gonna be riding the motorcycle a lot.
Did you see that cop? So sneaky.
Cop?
Yeah, there was a cop sitting there. You're oblivious. You have no idea what's happening. He's
Because I'm
staring
looking
right at us, but it
I'm
kind of worked out
looking-
because instead of looking at my seatbelt like he should have done, he was looking at you.
He's looking at me, vlogging. Oh, be thankful that I saved you because you're not wearing your seatbelt. You always do that. You're not like a driver. A driver should know the rules and
I have to wear
The
my seatbelt all the time.
policies.
Sometimes I like not wearing it because I'm so sick of wearing it for my whole life.
how about you? You haven't told me the You haven't told me You haven't told me what Christmas gift do you want?
I don't care. There's nothing.
There's nothing. I'm gonna give you a sword. No, your sword are so expensive. How much is the price of your sword, Slap?
It could be anything.
How much is the price of your swords? The
My
one
most expensive one was probably $700.
Hindi kaya ng budget natin ng $700. That's
But usually
lot.
they're like around 300 or 3 to 4.
What are you gonna do with those swords? You have a lot of
You
swords.
gotta keep buying one until I get a good one. A lot of the times they have, they're not good. So you gotta keep buying them until you get a good one. So for all the swords I have only one that could actually is sharp enough to actually fight with. So I have like 8 swords and only one of them is acceptable. So it's kind of a whole stupid problem.
Ayun. So kayo ba, ganun din ang ginagawa yung sinasabi niyo na lang kung ano yung gusto niyo. Para mas okay nga yun no, kaysa yung mas looking at that. Kaysa yung bibigyan niyo sila tapos hindi naman pala magugustuhan. Mas maganda na yung ganun. At least magagamit talaga. Zelda's sleeping. What is the baby doing, Zayda? What is the baby doing? Hi, Zayda. Zayda. Si Zayda parang ibang tao pag nasa sasakyan, napakasuplada. I'm telling them that Zayda is like a different person when she's inside the car because she's very snob. And like if we're just inside the house, she's very playful.
She knows about driving. She's already been in an accident.
Oh yeah. That accident is so scary. Yeah, remember how her face was when it was in the accident? She was closing her eyes. Do you remember that? Si Zelda, dito siya. Kung makikita niyo dyan sa salamin. Cute ni baby Zelda. Dito na kami sa Advanced Auto Parts, guys. Hintayin na lang namin dito si Mister. Picturean ko lang si Zelda kasi she's so cute. Sana mabilis lang si Mister kasi Baka aray ko. Baka pag ano si Zelda maging cranky super. Ay. So nakabili na si Mr. ng battery and medyo mahal pala no, $250. You said it's only 200. Now it's 250.
Shit happens. Inflation, special battery.
What's the brand of that battery?
Die Hard.
Die Hard. So, punta na kami ng Walmart. Dito lang naman siya. Malapit lang. Tapos si Zelda nagpupup. Hinaantay lang namin matapos. TMI, not too much information. Papalitan namin bago kami pumasok sa Walmart. Hi, Zelda! Hi, pretty baby! Yun si Zelda. Medyo cranky na. Iwan namin yung kanyang binky. Ay. We forgot your binky. Ambulance. Ambulance. Dito na kami guys sa Walmart. May Ace of Base na kumakanta. Zeta. May dinosaur na si Zeta. Nakauwi na kami guys. Tingnan nyo silang dalawa. Si Zeta. Sige, go. Go kick your ate. Your ate's pasaway. She doesn't wanna move. Your ate doesn't wanna move. Oh no. Zeta! Sige, oh. She's kicking your back. Hey, hey! Stop! Show her your toy. So, nakauwi na kami guys. Ito na yung Christmas tree. Hindi ko pa pala nalagyan ulit ng additional na mga pailaw. Yan si Baby Zelda. Baby Zelda, you like our Christmas tree? Wow! Do you like it?
Pepper?
You like our Christmas tree?
You know what pepper is?
Siguro next week na lang. Marami kaming nakalimutang bilhin kanina. Do you like our Christmas tree? Do you like our Christmas tree? You like our Christmas tree, Baby Zelda?
I wish we bought this skirt. I was too cheap to buy this skirt.
Oh, yeah.
Because of those wires.
Oo, nakakita kami ng anong tawag siya, yung skirt, yung nilalagay dito sa pinakang baba ng Christmas tree. Kaya lang namahalan kami ni Mr. Maybe they have it at Walmart, but the one at
Is 1 cup of cheese 8 ounces?
kinakausap na naman si ChatGPT. That's his girlfriend, ChatGPT.
I'm trying to cook here.
Mas gusto niya pa kausap I'm telling them that you prefer talking to ChatGPT than your wife. La 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 la. Kiniklear ko tong area na to kasi di ba ang dami dyan dating mga nakalagay-lagay na mga kung ano-ano. So, kiniklear ko siya kasi gusto ko siyang lagyan ng decoration pa din for Christmas. Right, Baby Zelda? Right, my pretty Zelda? Hi! Si Zeta, kinakausap na naman yung mga fish. Now, I was watching this vlogger from Korea, the Pinay mom in South Korea. She's
Copy her show?
no, I'm just gonna ask you because she said that she has this language, they are still experiencing language barrier because it's Korean and Filipina. But she thinks that if your husband or your partner, you marry to a foreigner from a country who speaks in English, that the language barrier would be very subtle. Do you agree with that? Do we have any language barrier?
No.
Really? I think we do.
No, because you You complain about my English
Why?
more than I complain about your English.
I'm not complaining about your English.
You, for every one problem I have with your English, you have 2 problems with my English.
And si Zayla.
Double. I don't have triple.
Just- Do you think we're gonna have a lot of problem if we have language barrier? Ha, love?
I don't know. When I first started talking to you on OkCupid,
You thought I don't speak
You
English?
did not speak any English at all, which is what I was hoping for. I wanted
Why?
to have a wife I don't have to talk. at all,
Whatever.
ever. No talking relationship would be nice.
Whatever, that's not true.
I know what I want.
You always complain if I'm not talking.
This is okay too, I guess, because I got used to you the way you are. I was hoping that you would be
What?
unable to communicate, so we don't have to have arguments about stupid things. We cannot talk. Think of how many arguments we've had because I said something you don't like what I said. But if you cannot understand what I say, you cannot get upset.
Yeah, if we don't understand each other, I don't think our relationship's gonna work.
One way to find out, but it doesn't matter because it's not a thing. So. Irrelevant. I forgot to preheat the oven.
Yeah, but do you think language is very important in order for, yeah, language is very important that you need to understand each other in order for the relationship to work?
I don't know because we can communicate. If we cannot
Yes.
communicate,
Yeah, do you think it's not gonna work? I think it's not gonna work if we don't understand each
they
other.
say love is the universal language. If you are in love, then what is the problem? Don't be a dick.
But they said that you won't love your partner forever. Love won't be existent for life. That you that it wouldn't be there forever. So how is it gonna work if you're just relying on love? What? Love, you're a writer. You should.
Tired.
You're always tired. Hi, Fishy. Hi, Fishy.
Hi, Fishy.
Hi, Fishy. Zelda, 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 Zelda. What is this? Ay, Zayra, you're not in
You wanna get down? You wanna go play toys?
camera.
Bye bye, please.
Come on, let's say
Bye-bye,
bye-bye to my vlog first before you end. Say bye-bye to my vlog. Zayra.
Say bye bye YouTube.
We're gonna end our vlog for today. Thank you so much po for supporting our YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do
Can
consider
wave?
subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support and see you again next time.
Bye.
Bye bye internet. Bye bye YouTube.
Bye-bye YouTube world. Say bye-bye YouTube world.